We know that not everybody likes us. But sometimes it's very difficult to understand why people behave the way they do. Why our long-term friends do not text us back. Why some people do not make effort to come and see us when we are willing to do so. What's the rule in regards to people in general? Who likes us and who doesn't? So here's what you need to know. People won't like you if at some social gathering or at dating place you talk about yourself straight for 10-15 minutes and you don't ask anything about them. People like to be liked. People want that the other person was interested in them. Listen to what people have to say, learn about them, observe them, ask interesting questions about them. They will like you for that. Another point where people don't like you if you forget their name 3 times in a row. People like to be liked and remember it. They like attention, and if you pay attention and remember their name, they will like you for that, especially if the name is not ordinary or casual, but you make an effort to remember it. Repeat their name 3 times in conversation. For example, if another person says to you their name is Jessica, you repeat their name 3 times. Oh, nice to meet you, Jessica. What a beautiful name, Jessica. I used to have a friend and she was such a nice person. Her name was Jessica. See? Easy. Within a minute, you repeated it 3 times, which means it helps your memory to retain it. Another fact to remember is that not everybody will like you, and that's a fact. Sometimes people have no reason to explain even why they don't like some person. We tend to justify it by saying, oh, it's the vibes that I get from that person. Or I don't know why, but I disliked her straight away. All these things happen and they're out of our control. Some people won't like us for whatever reason. If you are studying psychology and therapy, then you know there is a thing called projection. Some people might see in you someone from their past who hurt them. It's not your fault, it's just some little bit of you, whether it's a personality or some aspect in your physical appearance, whatever that is, or a little bit of a voice or some word that you say, something will trigger that in them. They might not be able to even explain it, but automatically they won't like you or some other person who reminded them about someone from the past who hurt them. It happens often and it happens amongst people, most of us, and most people are not aware of this. And another thing to remember is that when you are going to some social gathering, there will be people who are nice to you and seems like genuinely are interested in you. But a week or couple of weeks later, they will not respond, they will not invite you anywhere, and they won't go with you anywhere. Again, no reason. Well, no obvious reason. If you analyze and dig in psychology, especially if you had a chance to actually talk to them and discuss with them what triggered their behavior, then perhaps you'll get to the root of it. But for obvious reasons, we are not going to do that. So I would like to leave you with this fact. The sooner you will accept the point that not everybody likes us, not everybody will return our calls or texts, and there is no need to justify it, just let it go, the easier it will be to live, the easier it will be to find other people who are genuinely interested in you and who want to be your friends, colleagues, who want to make partnerships with you, whether they're personal or work related. I hope this information was a reminder for some of you and the reason for not getting too upset about it. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please share, like it and subscribe it. See you in my next video.